Hello, family. Warmest welcome back to the Love You Start channel. It's always good to have you here once again. Today, Hajia Laviatu is going to lead you through how she makes her soft, most authentic, properly made waakye. Now, the question is, how do you like your waakye? If you like your waakye soft like I do, that waakye that literally melts in your mouth, then says, bro, you are at the right place, okay? So what is waakye? Waakye is basically beans and rice cooked together, and it is one of Ghanaians' most popular street food. It can be eaten in the morning, as breakfast, lunch, dinner, literally any time of the day. Okay, so let's just go through it. I am using 3 cups of black-eyed beans, 1 cup of jasmine rice, and bicarbonate soda. I don't have a count, but it fits perfectly. And also my red sorghum leaves. Sis, just call it waakye leaves and you are okay. And also my salt. Please wash your beans thoroughly before you put in your pot, okay, to cook. Now, the secret to a good waakye is you use more beans than the rice. At least that is what I do. As I told you earlier, I use 3 cups of beans and 1 cup of rice. So that is the ratio. 1:3. Okay? For you to get a good waakye, your beans should exceed somehow your rice. Okay? So here I'm putting in my waakye leaves so that it starts to boil together with my beans, and I added 1 teaspoon of salt for now. Okay, after a good 10 minutes of cooking the beans, I go back to check and I realize that it's beginning to soften up, so it is the best time for me to add my bicarbonate soda. Here I added just 3 teaspoons of it, and the use of this bicarbonate soda is to help the beans to softening quickly, and also help the waakye leaves to release a reddish color to it. You do not want to use the bicarbonate soda because you're going to end up having your waakye too dark. As I said earlier, the bicarbonate help the beans to softening. After cooking the beans for an extra 15 minutes, it has really softened up, but it's not cooked yet, so it is the best time for me to add my rice so that it cook perfectly together. And also remember, the rice has to be washed always. Okay, but do as you please. If you don't want it, it's fine. Yes, so the cooking time remaining is approximately 16 to 18 minutes. Yes, the stirring has to be done very well to prevent any burn button. It's the best time for me to also taste for salt, because I only added 1 teaspoon when I was cooking my beans. So it's best time for me to taste for salt now so that it become perfect at the end. Alright, and you cover it. After 10 minutes of cooking, I came back to check on my babes, and it's doing quite well. The beans is soft, just the way it should be. The rice is also coming along very well. So I go ahead and cover it once again. Yes, it needs to be covered again. And after a good 7-ish minutes, it is so ready, and it's look just amazing and very soft, just the way I like it. But all that you have to do here is take your time and take off your waakye leaves, because you don't want to see it in your waakye when it is served. Okay, just take your time and take them off. And yes, your yummy waakye is ready to be served with some good waakye stew and some shito. No worries at all. The waakye stew and the shito will be uploaded hopefully very soon. Thank you so much, family, for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you're new here, warmest welcome to the family. Please go ahead and subscribe and join the happy family. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.